Hello, today I am going to show you how to use your Dremel to grind down a spot. This isn't a very big spot, but you can kind of see there's some sticking out points. I did try and use my sanding sponge already, and it's still got some spots. So I like this attachment. My husband put it on for me and it works really well. So you can see that there is a speed control here. So if you're unsure about using your Dremel, start slow. It won't take off as much, but it's a little less daunting. And on this other side of things, if it's not working well enough for you, you increase the speed a little bit. And you will notice that it goes kind of white like that. That'll disappear in the next coat of epoxy.